Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today is Sunday and I thought I'd just make a get ready with me because I gotta put makeup on, and I don't think I've updated my channel with the latest products that I've been using on my face every day. So usually I usually use no he's running away. I wanted him to be here so the video will look cuter. So usually what I do is I use face fabric, I put concealer on, and I try to make it like super fast so I'm out the door in 2 minutes. But I'm gonna sit down, take my time. I have all my products laid out. I'm gonna do a little bit of a fuller coverage today, and I'm gonna go cook something. So I'm having the best Sunday. I am taking my time and I am enjoying myself. If you're not enjoying yourself every single day, then that is your problem, because happiness is a choice. Trust me, I have a therapist and that's what she told me, and if she says it and I'm paying money for it, then it must be true. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the Kat Von D Wide Out Concealer. As you know, I use this for everything. It literally is like half of my makeup is white concealer. And I don't know if you guys ever tried this before, but it's very dry. Like, it dries and then it stays, which is cool for some people, but if you have really dry skin, it probably isn't the best idea for you to use it. And that's what I think is confusing about YouTube a lot of the times, is like you get all these people trying products all the time. They're like, oh my god, I love this, I hate this, I love this. But then it's so subjective, you know what I mean? It's like, you don't have this type of skin. Like, obviously you're not gonna like it. And then lately I've been doing this thing where I put a little bit of the white concealer. Like when you smile, you can see like the roundness of my cheeks. So it's not that I'm against having big cheeks, but sometimes I want it to have the appearance that it's flatter, so I put it right under that shadow when I smile to brighten it up a little bit. And I don't know if it's actually helping me or it's detrimental to my first impression, to people that first see me, but I guess I'll just have to keep wearing it and witness their reactions. Okay, now that this part is on, I am going to use the two foundations that I've been using the whole year, which is the Mercier Flawless Fusion in Golden, and then the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Oil Free. I do a pump of each, and then this one is pink. It's 525, so it's a cool honey tone, and the other one's golden, and I feel like it's like the perfect match to where my face doesn't look overly yellow, but it doesn't look overly ashy. I don't know if anyone has my problem, but I don't like using golden tones on my skin because it oxidizes really, really yellow, so I had to like mix it with a little beige. And this is the worst casing for this foundation because I don't know if you can see on the spout, like, let's wait until that focuses. It dries, right? And it's kind of like those annoying hairsprays when it dries on the, on the tip of the hairspray, and then you don't know where it's gonna go. I literally pumped this bitch once, and then it went like up and into my clothes. Ta-da! So you can see we're back to normal. I forgot, I'm gonna use a little bit of lip balm. I have the Veneffect anti-aging lip treatment. Like, this is the best lip treatment if you're really worried about getting wrinkly lips, because you can use it over your lips. But it's also super hydrating, and it's the only thing that kind of plumps the lip for me and keeps it hydrated for a good amount of time. If you've been following my videos, you know I have like the worst dry lips in the world. Like, you can just look at them. Like, look at them. Every single video they're like extremely dry, and I promise you guys, like, I always hydrate them. I always try to make them look good, Oh shit. It didn't break, don't worry. Anyways, I always try to make them look good for you, and it's so hard, you know, because I want them to be normal looking, you know. That's all I'm asking for, and it's so extremely hard. They always end up looking chappy and red. And today I think I'm gonna go to Sephora, you know, buy a new palette or something. I'm kind of on a roll. Like, I feel like I should do more eyeshadow videos, you know? Like, it's just the funnest part about makeup is eyeshadow. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with concealer, and I really need to go and buy a new one. I don't know how I'm living off of this. It's like, it's basically, I think I have less than a week left in this. And after I'm done doing my face, I think I'm gonna go cook myself some Brussels sprouts, bacon, mushrooms. I've been cooking myself the same boring breakfast every single day. But I usually go for what's gonna keep me full and what's good for me, you know? Okay, this is looking good. And if you're as old as I am, like, you understand that you have to use all of these creams. I'm about to put a cream highlighter on. This one's Mars highlighter from Milk. Talking about brands coming out with everything new, I also noticed that Dior, you know, because like when I used to look at Dior back in the day, like 10 years ago, it used to be a luxury, I mean, it's still a luxury brand obviously, but it used to be like very geared towards like mature skin, you know, they had all this fun stuff, you know, mature looking makeup. Now they look very young. Like, they're coming out with a lot of stuff that's like, I think you're trying to rebrand your entire brand. Cause like, you know, liquid lip liners, they have all these like bright shades of lipstick that they just came out with, and they're beautiful, but it's like totally different than what I'm used to seeing from Dior, which is kind of fun, you know, in a way. I know that they have a new beauty director, and he used to do Chanel, and I think they're giving him more leeway to do whatever he wants with Dior. And it's fun to see, but also a little scary because you don't know if it's gonna alienate those Dior customers, you know? But change is inevitable and change is good, so we'll see what happens. I wish my cat came back, like, and just chilled with me. Like, this idea totally failed. So right now I'm using the Iron Brown Maestro. I love using black for my eyebrows. I know that a lot of people like, you know, dark browns. They're like, oh my god, I don't want it to look like I have too much, and they stray away from the black. But this is such a low pigment black that it just gives you the black shadow, you know. And if you have black hair like me and thick brows like I do, then you want something like this, you know. You don't want to go with another color. And there you go. So I don't know. I don't know. My mic ran out of space, and I don't want you to have like shitty audio. So I think what I lost you guys at is I put a little highlighter and blush. So it was the Baby Face Finish Beam by ITSSKIN, and then the Tony Moly Crystal Blush. I use these two. I have them on. You can see it's really pretty, and then I just misted myself. Put a little more. This is the only thing I could find to fan myself, so if you know who these people are, please put them on the comment section down below. I'll be extremely impressed by your elevated and superior knowledge. Alright, and that's it. This is what my face looks like when I go... Fuck. Oh, I thought I got concealer on my cardigan. This is what my face looks like, you know, when it's finished and I'm ready to go for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell. If you guys like these type of videos where I'm just like getting ready and talking, I can do more of these, you know, leave me a like so I know that you're into it and it gets you off, and I'll see you on the next video.